Question is, what is an adsorption isotherm? Describe Friendlich adsorption isotherm. Okay. So first of all, you need to know the term the adsorption. It's very conceptually related, and you need to know if you want to be good at surface chemistry, what is adsorption. First of all, adsorption is a surface phenomena, and in this the molecules or the substances gets accumulated on the surface of the adsorbent rather than in the bulk or the in the bulk of the adsorbent. Okay. And what is isotherm? Isotherm is a term in which the temperature remains constant. Now moving further, adsorption isotherm is a relation curve between the variation in the amount of gas adsorbed by the adsorbent with the pressure at a constant temperature. So this term basically has isotherm. Isotherm means this at constant temperature. Okay. So this is the answer, Friendlich curve. So basically x by m is the mass of the adsorbent, x is the amount of gas adsorbed, and the x-axis, this is the variation of pressure. So as you can see, as the temperature is low, 195 Kelvin, the gas adsorbed is higher. As we increase the temperature for a given value of pressure, the amount of gas adsorbed is less. So we can bring out the inference that as we increase the temperature, the amount of gas adsorbed gets lower. Okay. So Friendlich, what is the Friendlich adsorption isotherm? Friendlich gave an empirical relation between the quantity of gas adsorbed by a unit mass of solid, you can also say it adsorbent, and pressure at a particular temperature. At high temperature, x by m is equal to kp naught, kp power 0. So x by m is equal to k. At high pressure, we can say that the amount of gas adsorbed is independent of the pressure. And at some intermediate pressure, this formula is will be helpful for you if you remember. I suggest you to remember this formula for the Friendlich isotherm. So in this, you have to remember one thing, that temperature is constant. T is equal to some constant. We can easily using this formula we can easily compare the amount of gas adsorbed if we change the pressure. Okay. So as you can see, x by m is equal to k p power 1 by n, where n is greater than 1. X is the mass of the uh, gas adsorbed, m is the mass of the adsorbent, k is some constant, and p is the pressure. Depending on the nature of gas, here x is the mass of the gas adsorbed, m is the mass of the adsorbent at pressure p. So we will take log on both the sides. We will get log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. So you can easily plot this graph. On x-axis it is log p, the y-axis it is log x by m. Log k is the intercept, y-intercept, as you can see, and the slope of this graph will be 1 by n. Slope is equal to 1 by n and theta. So we get the graph for Friendlich adsorption isotherm.